Today I'm trying out a new product by Creme, which is the Plex Breakage Defense 3-step strengthening system. And it includes a bond Mender pretreatment, restoring shampoo, and restoring conditioner. And this system was formulated for all hair types, natural, transitioning, and even if you're still relaxed. So the first step in the treatment is the bond Mender pretreatment. And this is a strength building regimen. So this step really helps revitalize fragile bonds while repairing your hair from the inside out. It just gives your hair a lot more strength to prevent future breakage. So for me, having color treated hair, this is something very important in my hair routine, is to make sure that my hair is as strong as possible, because color treated hair is also more prone to damage. So right now, I'm just saturating my hair with the pre-shampoo, and I like to finger detangle it a little bit just because when I've worn my hair for a while, it tends to shrink up, and this just helps elongate my hair to get the product all throughout it and easier to work with. So once I finished this section, then I twisted it up to move on to the next section. After I thoroughly saturated each section with the product, I'm just adding a shower cap, and I'm going to let this penetrate my hair for about 10 minutes before I rinse it out and move on to the next step. So the second part of the treatment is the restoring shampoo, and this really feels so silky smooth in my hair. Like, my hair felt moisturized while using the shampoo, which is very rare with most shampoos because a lot of them strip the moisture out of your hair when they're removing impurities, but this just helps remove all the impurities and buildup while also nourishing your strands so they don't feel dehydrated. And I just loved how it was making my curls clump together. It made detangling a lot easier. I actually was able to even finger detangle my hair with the shampoo in, which I've never been able to do with a shampoo. Usually shampoos make my hair tangled. But yeah, I can tell that it's removing all the impurities and buildup because it's making my curls pop. And that's how I know that a shampoo is really working to cleanse my hair, because of all the definition that I have. And you can see how my hair is already partially detangled just from applying the shampoo. It's stretched out and elongated my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like fresh after rinsing out the shampoo, before applying the conditioner and before even thoroughly detangling my hair. And it was just super, super soft. Like, I was shocked. It just felt really good. And you can see how I already have some definition without even adding any product to my hair. And especially without even having it detangled, like, that never happens for me. So the third step in the process is the restoring conditioner. And this moisturizes and improves the appearance of dry, damaged strands. So it's great for any hair that is prone to dryness or any other damage that it might have undergone, such as color treatment. And all these products smelled really good. And the conditioner was just super creamy and thick, and my hair just soaked it up. And you can see how my curls are already separated and defined, and I haven't even detangled with my brush yet. So now I just have the last 2 sections to detangle, and you can see how my curls already look like they are detangled, and they're just super defined. It made me want to rock this as a wash and go, not even realizing that this is just the conditioner, not like a leave-in conditioner. It's supposed to be washed out, but like my hair was so soft and moisturized that I really just wanted to use that as a styler. See how easy it is to just glide the comb and the brush through the section of hair. And my curls are just clumping up so well.
When you're not by my side, when I wake up in the morning, up under you and only you.
So I sat under a heated bonnet for about 15 to 20 minutes to just make sure that the conditioner was deeply penetrating my strands. And now this is after it is rinsed out. So for my styler, I'm going to use the Creme of Nature's Honey line. And this is the twisting cream. So I ended up doing a total of 8 braids. 2 per section. And I let this dry overnight, as well as I also sat under the heated bonnet for about an hour. But this always happens with my hair, and probably you guys too if you have thick hair. I can literally let my hair dry for like 24 hours and it will still be damp, especially when I do braid outs. So this is the next morning. I took the braids down and let it air dry a little bit more once I realized when I took them down that they were still a little bit damp. But I had places to go and people to see, so I don't mind when my hair has a little bit of frizz. It just gives it more body. But you can see how well the definition I got from this product was. And my hair feels super soft and moisturized from all these products, but especially the foundation of the routine, which is the strengthening system. So now I'm just going to pick up my hair to add even more volume and just to separate any parts I might have in my hair. I just love how full and soft my hair feels. But I don't know why my right side always looks better than the left. The left side just won't let me be great. But these are my results. I really love how soft and bouncy my hair feels. Leave a comment below on what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.